nice day out. Sun's out finally. Winter's over. Our door is binding at the top here. So what we have to do is close this gap here and our door will work just fine. What we have is this tool I made here. We welded on a nut and then cut out the corner to make it look like a C. Slides over the hinge and then you just bend it. Bend the hinge just the slightest little bit. It'll close that gap over there. Look at that. Working just fine. Do it a little bit more. Perfect. There you have it. The residential hinge adjuster. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get your door fixed.